All right, this is the black 75 I was running yesterday. Kevin's going to come down tomorrow morning and do a test ride on it about 11 o'clock. And then we'll put the black BSA up on the lift and we'll start working on that. So the seat's back from the upholstery. Looks beautiful. And I'll tell you straight up, if you've got a 75 and you're going to take the seat off of it, don't undo all these bolts and don't undo this one in the back. Just pull the pin out. And here's the pin. And just tap it from one end and tap it out. And then tap it back in. Now, I'll put this up in the tripod and we'll see if it doesn't go back in nicely as soon as I find the tripod. It's over here. It came out really nicely. It was sticking out just a little bit and I just tugged it out. Matter of fact, before the goes back in, I'm just going to take it and bevel that front end a little bit. All right, so I beveled the goes in just a little bit. I'll put a little grease on it too, why not? As Kevin and I want to say around here, there's always time for lubrication. Always. That's a neat line out of the movie Evolution, which is one funny movie. Let's show people how easy that is, Frank. Hey, come on, Frank, you're showing them how easy it is. Come on, Frank, it's easy. There it goes. Where there's a will, where there's a want, there's a way. All right, that's nice. This is fake. Let's put the retainer spring on, string. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. We'll do a test ride tomorrow and call her good until the front fender situation gets resolved. Ordered new front fender, got new rear fender instead. That needs to be resolved by the client.